So I don't know if you've noticed, but on the Insta stories I've been doing the indicators on the Kawasaki ZX6. I'm waiting for a clutch cable to be delivered, so I'm going to leave the fairing panels off. But this I struggled to get off. You see how it's swaged out a little bit, where it's been down the road, and that didn't come out the fairing very well, so I'm going to trim that up on the lathe. Doesn't need much off, to be fair, just enough to go in and out of the panel perfectly, which that will do. Neoprene, it's a wonderful thing to play with in the lathe. So here we have the orifice in the fairing panel and the trimmed up bobbin, and as you can see, straight in and out. Oh, there we go. No lubrication or force required.